Hey tech lover, thanks for watching MacTech. Today's video is going to be very special for laptop users because in today's video I'll show you how you can check your laptop battery health. After that, I'll share some secret tips that will help you to improve your laptop battery life. If you want to use your laptop battery for a longer period of time, then watch this video till the end without escaping. And I am assuring you that you can hack your laptop battery life with my secret battery saving tips. One more thing, if you are new to my channel, then give me a reward by subscribing my channel, and you can also visit to my blog where I share computer tips and tricks regularly. So with this said, let's jump to the main topic. At first, I'll show you how you can check your laptop battery life. To do so, you have to go to your search bar and then search for CMD. That means command prompt. Then you have to go to command prompt and then right click on it. Then you have to click on run as administrator. Here is the command prompt. Here you have to write a command. You have to write POWERCFG space -ENERGY. Then you have to press enter button. Don't worry, it will take some time to open this command. Here you go. Here you can see there will be a link and you have to copy this link. Mark this link and then press Ctrl+C to copy it. After that, you have to go to my computer or this computer. Then you have to click here. Then you have to press the link here. Here you can see there is the link. After that, you have to press enter. This will open your browser. Then you have to press Ctrl+F to find a specific keyword. Here I will search for battery information. I am writing BATTERYINFORMATION, that means battery information. Here you can see there is the battery information, and here you can see there is design capacity of my battery and last full charge of my battery. Here I have to do a simple calculation. That means the calculation will be last full charge divided by design capacity and multiply that with 100. So let's do this. I am opening the calculator. Here is the calculator app and I am dividing last full charge by the design capacity. Okay, now multiply this amount with 100. That means it is 86.5%. That means my laptop battery health is 86.5%. I want to know yours. You can leave a comment of your laptop battery health by using this formula. So that was the first part of this video. Now time for the secret tips to improve laptop battery life. Here I am giving you 2 simple tips, and using these 2 simple tips you can improve your laptop battery life. Tip number 1. Always plug in your laptop charger while using. In that time, your laptop will take power directly from main line, not from your laptop battery. As a result, your laptop battery will remain healthy. Use your laptop battery only for emergency purposes. Tip number 2. Do battery calibration once a week. That means you have to use your laptop battery until it reaches to 0% and then again charge the laptop battery to 100%. This will increase the health of the battery. If you want to know more tips about increasing laptop battery performance, then visit to my blog. There you can find an article on how you can improve your laptop battery performance, and I will add the link of the article to my video description. So that was the tutorial for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. If you face any problem, comment below and I will try to solve the problem. Hope I'll come back with another video tutorial like this. Till then, bye bye and take care.